Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. And for the people who are watching me for the first time, I'm Archie. I make cooking videos, facial videos, and general videos, and motivational videos. So today, friends, actually my dishwasher says that it needs to be serviced, and it says call service. So I'm trying to DIY myself how to clean up a dishwasher and see if it works or no. So let's come into my kitchen. Looks like my dishwasher has got spoiled. It says call service. It is not showing that it is done. Yeah, this it should say 0 0 0 0 actually, but it looks like my dishwasher is spoiled. So let's see how I can fix it. Looks like my dishes have come out clean only. It did its job, but one or two, like my tea strainer didn't get cleaned well. So let's see how I can clean it. So I'll try to start again, and I'll just say rinse it, and it will be only for 9 minutes. I'll start and I'll shut down and keep it. It started. So it started. Let's see after 9 minutes. The dishwasher got fixed well. That's nice. So we'll off it. So I'll just take out the dishes. So here I'll lift up this one and keep it in a different place. So I feel that there is something wrong with this. So I'll just, I'm thinking it is something which got stuck or something. So I just remove this. This every dishwasher has. So I'll just wash this. So now I'll just take a toothbrush. Try to just clean off. Can we remove this? No, I'll just brush it off and take out all that water stuck. Excuse me, because there are some morning dishes which I had made. Oh, you can open this. So we'll just clean it and give it a good rinse. Oh no, it's so yucky. Oh no, this is something black which is already there. So just clean it well. And for this you can only take a brush. See how brush has become dirty. Now I'll have to get a new old toothbrush for a kitchen because I've already spoiled this, but no worries. Just give it a good rinse. If you want to put soap, you can put soap, but I'm not putting because mine is a new one and they have just installed here in this apartment. So I said, okay, let me just do this and see how it comes out. So I think it got cleaned well. Oh no, there's some dust over here. Yeah, see? Some things are really goofy. So now this we took out. So we'll just clean up this also. It is little sticky, but you'll have to wash your hands very well. This would have really costed like $400 to $500. So you can save that $400 to $500. So now this is cleaned. This is cleaned. So we'll just fix this. It got fixed. So now we'll see what else can be dirty. So now we'll try to put it inside. Yeah, now we'll just fix it because we have cleaned it well. And we'll just tighten it. Yeah, we need to close because we had opened it. Now it's closed. So now it's rotating well. This is working well. So let's check it out. Oh, I forgot to put the stand. So here we put this. I hope I fixed up the problem. Yeah, it's flowing easily now. Yes. So now we'll just off, on, rinse, start. So we'll run an empty dishwasher I think I have a tablet, I'll put that also. So I ordered this from online. I did it from walmart.com and it says 100% more clean removal activities. Finish dishwasher cleaner. It says that add to a full load. So I think now I'll just start it and we'll put this one of the tablet over here. So we'll do this. And it says you can just drop it anywhere at the bottom. So move. So we'll just drop this down here. Yeah, just like that randomly. So this is the thing which I tried to do, but looks like I didn't gain much success over here. So if somebody is watching and they know something about dishwasher, let me know what we should do now. Should I really call a technician and get it observed from them, or can I do something, because I don't want anyone to come during this time, and I thought I'll manage myself. So just let me know, give me some suggestions if you have any. And what does this mean, call service mean? And it says e call service E09. So I don't know what. I just tried to do everything, but it looks like nothing is working for me. But the dishes, I did the next day also, and it still gave me the same message, call service. But the dishes are coming out clean, but I'm rinsing before I use any of the dishes. So just let me know where I'm wrong or what can I do to get it fixed well. And if you have liked this, please like it, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.